Hello friends, good morning and welcome to today's video. So today we'll begin this Bhagavad Gita Divine Wisdom chapter 3. After listening to the wisdom of knowledge in chapter 2, Arjuna's mind was still not completely clear and he turned to Lord Krishna and said, "O Krishna, if knowledge is greater than action, then why do you ask me to fight? Why should I engage in this terrible war?" Krishna smiled gently and began to explain, "Arjuna, there are two paths toward liberation: the path of knowledge for the wise, and the path of action for those who live and work in the world. But understand this: no one can remain without action even for a moment. All beings are driven to act by their nature. Even I, Arjuna," said Krishna, "though I am the Lord of all worlds, continue to act, for if I stopped, the universe itself would fall into chaos. You too must act, not for desire or reward, but for the good of the world. This is the secret of Karma Yoga." Arjuna listened as Krishna revealed the meaning of selfless work. When actions are done without selfish motive, the heart becomes pure and the mind becomes peaceful. Work becomes worship. Perform your duty, Arjuna, but surrender the results to me. Desire binds the soul, selflessness sets it free. The one who works for the welfare of others without attachment, without ego, is truly divine. Krishna then explained the cycle of harmony in creation. In ancient times, humans and gods were created together, each supporting the other through sacrifice and service. When you give without expecting, the universe gives back a thousandfold. Arjuna then asked, "But why do people still commit wrongs even when they know what is right?" Krishna replied, "It is desire and anger born of passion that lead one astray. They are the true enemies within. Control your senses, rule over your desires, and rise above the pull of ego. The mind can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Arjuna, perform your duty as an instrument of the divine. Do your karma without pride, without hatred, without expectation. Action done in surrender becomes sacred. He who works without selfishness attains peace. He who is attached to result is bound by endless anxiety." As Krishna's words flowed like the Ganga, Arjuna's heart began to clear. He understood. The key is not to run away from work, but to transform work into worship. Thus ends chapter 3, Karma Yoga, the path of selfless action. True spirituality is not in escaping the world, but in performing every action with love, selflessness, and devotion to God. Work is sacred when done without selfish desire. Hare Krishna. Thanks for watching.